Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you enjoy watching my videos, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. Today I'm here with a very interesting and healthy recipe, and that is palak corn sandwich. Now without taking much of your time, I'll start with the ingredients. Here I have taken palak. As you can see, it is washed and chopped palak, right? This is some 300 grams. Then I've taken 3 chopped onion. Yes, then I have taken 2 slices of bread, salt as per the taste, some black pepper, powdered black pepper, then some oregano, then 2 small spoons of butter, this frozen corn, sweet corn, and 2 slices of cheese. Here I am avoiding putting chili, but if you like chili, you can add green chili as well. Right, now we'll start with the process. Now we are going to cook the palak, right? So I'm firstly going to add butter into this. I've taken Amul light butter. You can also go for olive oil if you wish. So this is 2 spoons of butter, as I said. Actually, kids don't prefer, eating spinach and all that, any sort of spinach, right? So here there's a healthy way or easy way that you can make them eat in a different style. And I'm sure they're going to love it because we're adding cheese, we're adding corn. So here we'll wait for a few seconds, and after that I'm going to add onion into this. So as you can see that butter is melted properly and it's quite hot. Now I'm going to transfer onion into this. So this is 3 medium-sized onion. Saute it for some 4-5 minutes. And here I'm also going to add salt into this. You can go as per the taste. Guys, you have to be very particular while adding salt. Reason being, palak, has some salt in it, so make sure that you don't end up putting much. We'll wait for a few minutes, and then I'm going to add spinach and corn into this one by one. So here, as you can see, that onion is half done. So I am going to add palak into this. This is, as I said, it's 300 grams. Just mix it properly. We are going to cook palak until the entire water, evaporates. So you can see that it has started leaving water. You can cover it also in between. And now only I'm going to add corn also. This is frozen corn. Guys, you can see that the quantity of the palak has reduced to almost half, but it is still watery, so I'm going to cook it for another 5 minutes, and we need to evaporate the entire water, as I said. Guys, do try this recipe. Why I'm emphasizing on this, because this is super healthy because of the spinach that we are using here, and it's good for children. You can use this in breakfast. You can give them in lunch also. I'm sure they're going to love it. Do try, do make them eat. As you can see that it is almost done. So now I'm going to add black pepper powder into this. small spoon. And yes, you can add green chili in between also. I mean, if your children prefer eating green chili or you like spicy food, then you can add green chili. And then I'm going to add oregano into this. You can add chili flakes also if you wish. After mixing it properly, I'm going to turn off the gas and going to transfer this into another bowl. You can see the color. So we don't have to dry this completely. This is little juicy. So I'm going to transfer this into another bowl now. I'm going to transfer this into another bowl, as I said. You can see it is very much juicy, but the water has been evaporated completely. Now we are going to use this mixture for making sandwich. So now we are ready with our spinach corn mixture, that is palak corn mixture, cheese and slices of bread. Right here I have removed the sides. If you want, you can keep it like that also, or you can remove it, all your choice. So now I am going to take the mixture and spread evenly on this. You can add oregano if you wish on the top of it. I'm avoiding because oregano generally has salt also, so I'm avoiding adding extra salt. So now I'm going to put a cheese on the top of this. Like this, and on the top of this I'm going to put another plain slice of bread. And now it's going inside. Close it and we'll wait for a few minutes. I'm not putting anything extra, butter or ghee or something. So now I guess our sandwich must be done by now. So let's have a look. Yes. I'm going to transfer this into another plate. And now we'll do the plating. So here I am done with the plating. As you can see, you can also go for a green chutney along with this if you wish. Here I'm going to jump on this because I'm not able to resist myself. As you can see the cheese here. Guys, do try this recipe. You can have it in breakfast, you can give this in lunch also to the kids, and I'm sure they're not going to say no. And I'll be coming back with such recipes, healthy recipes like sandwiches and all that in future also. So do like and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care and goodbye.